Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. The Witch's Moon. Oops, it's upside down, guys. The Witch's Moon for June. Our regular box. Does smell delightful. Can't believe June is here already, guys. Can't believe. Ooh, this is what it looks like when I open it, so it looks different. Because they changed up their paper. Ooh, maybe not this time. All right, so this one says the Coven of Elements, exclusive Grimoire edition. This is a very beautiful card too. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that beautiful table. All the candles. Very pretty. All the elements. Very, very nice. Okay. We have paperwork this time again. All right, I'm confused. I thought we were doing away with it, but maybe not. Maybe this is an addition. I do like this. But then we got this too, so we'll see. The Coven of Elements. All right, so we got lots of papers here. We have our art card. No, I'm sorry, not art card. Our oracle card. Looks like it's something to do with the chakras. Mine is 28 release. I release what does not serve my higher purpose with gratitude and love. And then we have Book of Shadow Sheets. Quite a few. We have the elements. So we got beautiful water. I thought we've gotten these before. Maybe not. Not the same exact, but. So we got water. We have fire, air, earth. They're all gorgeous. And finally, spirit. Absolutely beautiful. Each one of these are beautiful. I love them. Okay. Loving. Then we have a bag of red rose buds. We have black sea salt. We got raspberry ritual tea. Take a little tea bag. What else we got? Then ooh. We got this. Oh, the Path of Plenty ritual lotion, I think it says. I know we got the body wash last time, and I'm using it now, and I love it. I think this is lotion. Yeah, this is lotion. But it has a top. So you have to open it. I'm loving these new ideas. Loving them. Everything needs to be freshened up, and I'm glad. I'm loving the fresh ideas with this box. We have our beautiful beeswax candle. It smells delightful, and I love the color. Then we have ritual spirit smoke incense sticks. That is the beautiful label. And then we have a sachet with a necklace. We usually get these in the Roots box, these necklaces. But stop it. I mean, Luna, cut it out. We got the stainless steel chain and the stainless steel elements, earth, air, fire, water. On the back it says earth, air, fire, water. I like that it has all the elements. Very cool. We have another. This looks like red jasper. And here, our tumblestone. It's a big guy. Big red jasper. Guess that's for earth. And we have one more item. Alright, so no ritual oil this time. Instead of the ritual oil, we got the beautiful lotion, which is cool. And we have this, which is going to be, I love how they wrap it. It's going to be a book of sorts. Let's see what is. Oh, earth, air, fire, water to go with our collection. Scott Cunningham. It's beautifully done in a black cover. Hard cover as well. And it's made, I'm sure, for the Witch's Moon. It is made especially for the Witch's Moon, which I love. May you obtain the ability to work within the natural realm, allowing the blessings of the elements to accompany on your path. The blessed be the Witch's Moon. So they redid it in a hardcover, which I love it. So we have starting to get a collection of these from the Witch's Moon, which I do adore. All right, let's see what's going on here. To walk upon the magical path is to find and commune with the natural world, calling upon her essence and the power to inspire and bolster our practices. The witch, in particular, builds a very special and sacred bond to these elements, immediately capturing their true embodiment of spirit. In this very exclusive collection, one in which has taken us almost a year to prepare, we dive into the elements even further, learning how to incorporate them in our spell work for effective and transformative results. It is within the elemental cornerstones that we build our temple, devoting ourselves to understanding and embodying their energetic personalities. Join us this June as we attend the Coven of Elements and search for their truth. So it goes into this book here, The Witch's Moon exclusive hardcover, Earth, Air, Fire, and Water, by Scott Cunningham. This beautiful Earth, Air, Fire, Water grimoire was created exclusively for The Witch's Moon, making this very limited book the only custom hardcover version ever to be created. Of course, it goes into more about it. Magic is as natural as the earth, fire, air, and water. Yes, even the natural blade of grass, within a simple rites, may have found the answers to life's multitude of challenges. So it goes into that more in depth. Quiet. And then it goes into the 5 grimoire that they made by A.E. Alden. Air, earth, water, earth, air, fire, spirit. Spirit corresponds grimoire. Okay. Pewter elemental energy pendant with pewter pendant chain has been created to carry the essence of the elemental energies. Wear this necklace as a token of the elemental power and aid. Pewter elemental pendant. Hand rolled an anointed flame of attraction spell candle. To accompany this spell candle, we recommend all-purpose candle spell from Earth, Air, Fire, and Water book from Scott Cunningham. This spell has been anointed with our priority fire oil, as well as sweet orange, ginger, and cinnamon. Those guys. Ooh. Path of Plenty Ritual Lotion 8 ounce. We're thrilled to bring our new Path of Plenty Ritual Lotion to this collection. A wonderfully fragrant citrus blend was created as a manifestation tool. Before you use this blend, visualize and support the elements coating you as if being wrapped in a warm blanket. The path you are on is bursting with sense of gratitude and fulfillment. Allow the energy to bring you fresh perspective on the outlook of the future. And it goes into the items that it's created with, all the ingredients are here as well. Black sea salt, wonderful magical component to have stocked in your cabinet. Black sea salt is a guardian and destroyer against negative and malicious energies. Placed on your altar or your corners of your space for cleansing and banishing rituals. The red rose is for the element of water. Roses have long been associated with love mixtures, owing to the flower associations with emotions. Rose petals are used in healing spells, fast luck mixtures, and sprinkled around the house to calm stress and household upheavals. Raspberry ritual tea bags is the element of water. It is made with mother herb incorporated in many fertility and protection love rituals. Stop, guys. What's the matter with you? Tumbled red jasper. It's the element of earth. Stone is good for you to carry with you throughout the day. Place upon your altar. It is a wonderful fire energy stone and can stimulate the circulation of energy. Guys, what is your problem? Stop. And then last but not least, Spirit of Smoke ritual incense sticks to blend dances throughout your space, allows energies of earth, air, fire, water to change and enhance the intention. What are you guys doing? And this here is from the Conscious Spirit Oracle deck, written by Kim Dreyer. And we also got a ritual paper again, as always, and the beautiful cover sheet here, which I love. Let me know, guys, what you think of June's box. I love it. I love when we get new items, and I love that the books are starting a collection. Again, let me know what you guys think. I'll leave the information down below, guys. Thanks for watching.